Sabi nila, walang forever. At sa totoo lang, naniniwala ako doon. Wala talagang permanenteng bagay sa mundong ito. Lahat nagbabago, lahat lumilipas. Pero ang meron tayo ay ngayon. Ang ngayon, pinipili natin ang isa't isa. Ang ngayon, na naging alaala nating dalawa. Isang espesyal na sandali na hindi mabubura. At sa bawat araw na pinipili mo pa rin ako, doon ko naramdaman na kahit walang forever, may tayo.
Honestly don't know how to start this. Pero maganda siguro simulan to sa tanong na, bakit kaya ikaw? Whenever I remember all the kindness, the patience you've shown me, sasagutin ko yung tanong na yun na, bakit hindi ikaw?
It's been a while since we felt the way we did.
Said, deserve mo to. Smile. Here's a little something to capture all our memories and adventures ahead. Can't wait to build forever with you. I love you always.
Bright colors, yeah. When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
Nakangiti na yan. Tanggapin mo itong aking regalo. Alam ko nakangiti ka na. Excited na yan. I love you, King Sel. Thank you. Ay, nalaglag.
Things to me.
Alam mo, Seth, you are God's grace in my life. I still don't know what I did to deserve you. Ayun nga, gaya na sinabi mo, sa topa ko pa lang, kung hindi ikaw yan, baka sumuko na. Pero mabait naman ako ngayon. Dahil sa'yo. Cedric, hindi ka na kailanman mag-iisa. Kasi kahit wala ka mang kapatid, well, ako naman marami. Don't worry, mahal ka ng pamilya ko. At mas lalong mahal kita. Mahal ko kayo ng mama mo.
I was falling. I never
Pinipili kitang mahalin, alagaan, at samahan. Hindi dahil sigurado akong magtatagal, kundi dahil araw-araw pipiliin ko mahalin ka muli habang andito pa, habang kaya pa, habang kasama pa kita. Advance happy 10th anniversary. I love you.
I'm really excited for our lives together. I'm excited to wake up next to you every morning for the rest of our lives. I'm excited for more late night talks kahit feeling ko naman minsan nagpe-pretend ka na lang na nakikinig. And I'm excited for more random road trips, movie nights, and all the little moments in between.
Like the starlight painted in the sky. What we had won't fade into.
I promise na kahit ilang beses pa kitang i-block sa messenger sa inis, hindi kita i-block sa puso. And I promise that even when we're old and gray, I still hold your hand and love you like it's still day one. So Cedric, are you ready? Kasi from this day forward, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ikaw at ako ay iisa.